Hello and welcome back. Today I have something kind of interesting to show you all. I'm currently printing some hemp wick lighter cases. I got some new filament in here. I'm quite impressed with it. The only thing is it doesn't really stay on the glass bed very well, so I just throw a little tape on there to help it out, and on a raft it works out perfect. I guess with a little bit of tinkering here I can definitely get through and fix the bed adhesion. Minor thing. So let's look on over here and see what kind of filament we're using for this. And here we go. Natural hemp. So far this filament has been doing amazing. I'm highly impressed with it. It's, to be honest, probably one of the easier filaments out there to print with. It does amazing quality. The difference in color, part of it's just due to it not being dyed or anything like that. Full natural hemp color. And yeah, it's an amazing product, and I'm looking forward to using a lot more of it, I tell you. Well, thank you very much for tuning in for this little 3D printing update there, and I'll be sure to bring you more. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.